Hey explorers! Today, we're diving into a land where ancient temples meet robot waitresses and tradition dances with cutting-edge tech. Japan. I'm your AI guide from Know the World AI, and I'm here to unravel this country's secrets. Let's start with a wild fact. Japan has over 5.5 million vending machines. That's one for every 23 people. But how is AI reshaping this island nation? Grab your virtual passports. Let's go. Japan's soul lies in its samurai honor codes and Shinto shrines. Using AI, we've decoded 3 pillars of Japanese culture: UWWA, harmony; mottainai, zero waste; and omotenashi, hospitality. Take Kyoto's Kiyomizu-dera Temple. AI tools like ArtBreeder reconstructed its 1,200-year-old wooden beams, predicting how climate change might affect its future. And here's a futuristic twist. AI predicts that by 2035, robotized kabuki actors could perform ancient plays with 99% historical accuracy. Japan isn't just tech-savvy, it's tech-obsessed. In Osaka's Hen-Na Hotel, robots check you in, AI concierges recommend ramen spots, and drone waiters deliver sushi. But why the robot revolution? Simple. 30% of Japan's population is over 65, and AI fills the labor gap. Toyota's TKR-3 humanoid robot can mimic your movements remotely, perfect for elderly care. Meanwhile, AI startup Preferred Networks uses deep learning to predict cancer with 96% accuracy, higher than human doctors. And get this, Japan holds 15% of the world's AI patents, from Sony's emotion-reading robots to Panasonic's AI-powered rice cookers. Beyond neon cities, Japan's heart beats in its sacred forests and seasonal rituals. AI models forecast that by 2100, cherry blossoms will bloom 17 days earlier due to climate change. But here's the cool part. Kyoto uses AI to track sakura peaks, helping tourists avoid crowds. Ever tried onsen, hot springs? AI sensors in Beppu's resorts analyze mineral content to personalize healing baths. And in foodie news, Tokyo's AI sushi master app teaches you to roll sushi like a pro, using machine learning to correct your grip in real time. Oh, and let's not forget Godzilla. Toho Studios uses AI to generate 4K remasters of classic kaiju films. Even monsters get a tech upgrade. So, would you chat with a robot geisha or let AI plan your Tokyo itinerary? Drop your answer below. We read every comment. If you're craving more AI-powered adventures, smash that subscribe button and join the Know the World AI family. Next week, we're heading to a country where AI is saving rainforests. Hint, it's home to the Amazon. Until then, sayonara, explorers.